In this module, we will study the phylum of flatworms, the phylum Platyhelminthes. They belong to grade Bilateral, meaning thereby they have bilateral symmetry. In addition, they are triploblastic and acoelomate organisms, and they have 3 germ layers during embryonic development. They have ectoderm, mesoderm, and then endoderm. And about their habitat, they are freshwater, marine, or they may be parasite on different animals. And they also live in moist soil. About their size, they are 1 millimeter or less to many meters in length. And they move with the help of ciliated epithelial cells present in their body. And they have a digestive system which consists of incomplete gut, and it has only one opening. We can see here that the complete gut की case में 2 openings होती हैं, one is mouth and the other one is anus. But in case of this phylum, they have incomplete gut which have only one opening, which acts as a mouth as well as anus. So how they take in their food? They take in their food by muscular contraction in upper end of the gut, जो कि एक strong sucking force create करती है, और इससे जो flatworms हैं वो अपनी food ingest करते हैं, फिर उसको tear apart करते हैं into smaller bits, and the gut is branched, as we can see here the branching of the gut. So जो food होती है जो इसे break down करते हैं, it can be transported to different cells via this branching network, और additionally जो cells हैं gut के साथ they can also take food particles via phagocytosis and उसे digest करते हैं. And unlike cnidarians, flatworm has excretory system which consists of network of fine tubules, and we can see here that they consist of cilia, or cilia they consist of actually flame cells, and which in turn consist of cilia. We can see here cilia, और they are called as flame cells because ये जो cilia है इसकी movement candle में जो flame होते हैं उसकी movement से resemble करती है. That is why they are known as flame cells, and they move water and excretory substances into the tubules and then to exit pore located between the epidermal cells. So a large proportion of metabolic waste are excreted by flatworms, diffuses directly into the gut, और माउथ के थ्रू ही ये एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं. जो भी इसको डाइजेस्ट करते हैं और जो वेस्ट होता है, इट इज़ एक्चुअली ट्रांसपोर्टेड आउट ऑफ द बॉडी वाया द माउथ. And then we can note that they lack circulatory system, and they have bodies which have a branch digestive cavity, जिसकी वजह से वहीं से circulation का process हो जाता है via diffusion. About their nervous system, they have a simple kind of a nervous system like cnidarians, which consist of nerve net. लेकिन कुछ ऐसे members हैं platyhelminthes में कि जिनमें nerve cords भी present हैं, as we can see here nerve cords are present, which is a primitive form of central nervous system. In addition, some species which are free living, they have eye spots in them too, and actually these are inverted and pigmented cups जो light sensitive होते हैं, and these eye spots enable the worm to distinguish light from dark, and worms move away from strong light actually. And about their reproductive system, they reproduce actually both by asexual as well as sexual mean. If they reproduce by asexual reproduction, they undergo the process which is known as fission, और fission के process में एक जो animal body है, it is splitted into 2 parts, और फिर each part regenerate to form a new organism. And if we talk about the sexual reproduction, they are hermaphroditic, meaning thereby एक ही organism में male and female sex organs present होते हैं, and when 2 partners they copulate, they actually transfer the sperm from one organism to the sperm to the seminal receptacle of the other organism, and where the fertilization is internal. You can see here the reproductive system of planaria. We can observe that there are female reproductive structures as well as male reproductive structures present in a single organism. The example of this phylum includes Digestia, which is free living flatworm, and then there is Facula, which is endoparasite in sheep and occasionally in human beings, और it has suckers जो कि host पे attachment के लिए use होते हैं. And then we have another example of a tapeworm, and they are endoparasites of human and cattle, and we can see here that they consist of segments which are known as proglottids.